Hi Maroon, I'm just going to show you something. Ralph sent me on an email. Where is it? I have this here about you were talking with Phil Groman in Flux, and he was trying to get wattage and other things out of a lighting fixture, but to actually get it out, it was failing in this, and there's a reason why that was failing. I can just show you quickly. This is just quickly. I have this Revit file in here. I have, how many is it? 7 lights there, and let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lights. Yeah. Okay. Now, I don't know if this is recording this. I have Dynamo open at the moment, so this is just a. Hopefully I won't have to re-record. So I'm getting the light fixtures like it was in the email, and which is all of these 7. So 0 to 6 is 7. And there's 2 different ways of getting it. There's some people have made custom nodes where you can get parameter value by name, type, or instance. Okay, what was happening originally was, or in that email was, basically the elements were coming directly in here, and he was getting this result 0, 1 to 6 and nothing there, because basically you're trying to get a type parameter out of this. Is by default it will only get instance parameters, so that's why that was not working. So so there is a way to do it without, this is a custom node, but without using a custom node I can just get all elements, get family instance by type, so it gives me all the types here, and then I can just list the unique ones and get the wattage from these types. These are family, see that? Family type. Okay, so when you're looking for a type property, you want to access the family type, not the family instance. So that kind of follows through into Revit, the type and instance division. Okay, and we can see here we can get the wattage, which is all here. I think it is slightly off. The wattage is, you have to do a conversion. I don't know if it's 10, just 8 divided by 10 or multiplied by 10. Can't remember. I'll just pop it in there, see what this looks like. Wattage, that looks about right actually. You can see these funny kind of figures here, but you can round. Let me see, math and round to, let me see, 2 digits. So I want to round it to like dot 2 digits. So is it divide by 10 or multiply by 10? I'm not sure. Anyway, whatever that conversion figure is. So I want to put in 2 here, and that makes it a little easier. I'm going to just make it 1, and or make it 0, and we'll just round it all up, but I think it's closer to 2 like this. Like the wattage of this is 68.89. That's number 3, which is, there's number 3, which is the 240 mil, so it's the long pendant light. So the long pendant light has 68.89 in the wattage, possibly. And click on this, edit type, and down here, intensity, so 64, so it's actually 64, which is intensity wattage, so it is supposed to be 64. So I'll just go back, let's go back here, and it is that one there. It is number 3 wattage. That's that figure divided by 10, which is, that's, oh right, I actually calculated. I'm wondering what's going on here. So what was it? 688.89, oh, 0.89 divided by 64, 10.74. Okay, so that should be 10.74. We'll go with that. And we have to the nearest 10 point. Oh, okay, I think I just typed in that incorrectly. 10.764, and there we go. See, it's kind of rounding it when I don't round it. So we get this 63999, and this is the actual wattage here. And there is also another intensity, I think it was, or something like that. And instead of dividing, I had to multiply to let me just get this new element here, and I'm not looking for wattage. What are we looking for in this one? What was it? Initial. I think it was initial intensity. I think that's what it is. I think I've not spelled that correctly. Yep. So, oops. And it's given us a 0. Initial intensity, I think that was it. Looking for a light, and then edit. Looking for initial. Oh, initial intensity. Okay. So F and C, light loss factor. Let's see, what am I looking for here? So F and C. Okay. E F I C A C. Okay. So I'm back here. E F F I C A C Y. And there we go. So at the moment, I'm going to round all this again. Okay, so the initial is 93.75, and if I'm going to edit it, get back out of there, edit type, 93.75. 93.75, so that was the conversion that we had to use for that, and we get the right number as well. So you can actually drag out these MEP figures, like you can't. I don't know if you can actually. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking, can I actually set these? So set parameter, let me see, set, I just zip by it there, set parameter, and I'm going to get the list. I'm going to get the parameter name, like the wattage, and I'm going to set them all to, what was it, 10. Let's go with, okay, I'm just seeing, is this going to work? I don't know. And yes, it did actually. So you can set the wattage, let's say null. So you can set the wattage of your elements. I go in here and wattage is 10. Yep. So it does a conversion, obviously. Again, it does a conversion. So so wattage I had to divide, so I'll have to multiply that. So multiply by 10.764, which should give us 10, and I think it is. We'll go back in here, have another quick look, see what wattage we have, and we have 10 watts. Yes, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so you can actually control them, but the thing that you cannot control, I'm pretty sure, is well, within the project anyway, is the Omni class title number, size sort, light source definition. It looks like you can access a lot of this. Like, basically, if we'd have to get a list of drop down, or we'd have to get a list of these elements and find them, and then call them up. But I'm just pointing out that you can you can get this information that you're looking for in that email from Dynamo. It's just you really have to kind of understand what's going on in the background. Now this is a bit of a muddle, so I'd probably end up cleaning this up. I'd probably group it and group that, and just make them a bit easier to distinguish and name them and whatever. Okay, right, so I'll save this anyway for ourselves. Save it, let me see, okay, I'll do all that after. Okay, alright, thanks.